Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need a compatible iPhone and the ESIM activation info from your carrier. Start now. Open Settings, tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan and scan the carrier QR or enter details manually. Once done, label this first ESIM, Home or Primary, so you can identify it later. This initial step sets your default voice and data behavior. Make sure to choose the line you'll use for iMessage and FaceTime. Don't pause. Proceed to add the second profile immediately. Now add the second ESIM the same way. Settings, Cellular, add Cellular Plan. You'll scan the second QR or input the carrier info and wait for activation. This can take a minute. Once added, label it clearly and go into Cellular Plans to choose default voice line and which plan handles cellular data. If you want automatic fallback, enable Allow Cellular Data Switching. Otherwise, pin data to one line. These choices control call routing and app data charges, so finish by testing both lines. Place a call, send a message, and load a web page on cellular. If one service doesn't work, toggle airplane mode briefly, then make sure the ESIM shows activated under Settings. Once done, restart the phone and rescan or re-enter the activation code if necessary. If provisioning is still blocked, contact the carrier. Sometimes they must enable the ESIM on their side. One troubleshooting tip: if calls route incorrectly, change the default voice line and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.